Hello guys, welcome to my video. So today we're going to play Tower. So anyway, so if you want to see my videos, so channel, make sure to like and subscribe. So hit the notification bell. Some more videos. Straight I guess. Okay. So anyway, so we need to beat that game for the easy mode, I guess. So anyways, okay, let's go like this. Oh my God, wait, I should just climb the top ladder. Oh wait, we're going to cheat. Okay, okay. Let me just choose whatever I want, I guess. I'm going to choose red. Oh wait, they just choose red. Okay, let's beat that game, guys. We need to beat that game, guys. How? Wait, okay, let's go. Oh wait, I made the wrong way. Oops. I think player died. Okay. Whoa! Oh my god, guys. We need to beat that game. Wait, can I wall hack? Wait, can I wall hack? I can't. Oh, I did it, guys. I did it. Okay, we need to beat that game, guys. We need to beat that game. I'm not a noob. I am a pro, guys. Guys, I like this. Guys, no! Don't ever fall. Don't ever fall, guys. Don't ever fall on easy. Oops, I'm not. Okay, why there's girl upstairs? Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. I'm not actually fall. I need to beat that game before. So this the tower. The tower that I'll show that because it's easy. Wait, you girl, the blue girl. Okay. Oh wait, wait, wait. Ooh, go 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 go. Ooh, no 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 no. Please 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 please. Wait. Oh wait, wrong way wrong way wrong way. I am the toughest in the world, guys. Oh my god. Oh my god. I'm not the toughest. Huh? How could I? Oh wait, just do like this and squeeze like that. Okay. Hmm. Oops, okay, okay. Looking good, nice. Nice, 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 guys. Nice, nice. Oh my god, I'm the top. I'm the top, guys. Um, um, wait, we're gonna go upstairs. Upstairs, I don't know. Oh my god, this one's tricky. This one's tricky, guys. This one's tricky. So this is the easy or hard mode. It's gotta be hard. Very soon. Oh my god, I made it in the top, guys. It's probably 2 minutes long. Minutes long, I think, guys. Oh my god, this tower is so long that I can't. No! No! No, what? I'm going to end. So, no. Okay. Look, they can't even, no. They can't even squeeze it. No, 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 no. Okay, I'm at the top, guys. I'm at the top. Oh my god, guys. We almost win. We need to win, guys. We need to win. Wait, wait. I am slow. Okay. Oh, oops, oops. Why does she's in the top? Bro, why does she's in the top and also mine? Okay, so let me know in the comments that I wanted to beat that game. Oh my god, I think it's tricky. Trickiest game in history world. Oh, mom, 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 mom. What? Why, girl? Where is her? Did she fell? Oh, yes, she fell. Okay. Okay. How? Huh? You know what?